Wow. Okay guys, this one, bibili mo, kakainin mo pati buto. Eto na, magkano po yung tabo? 50 siya? Saan dyan?
Dalawang tali. Yung isang tali niya, ma'am, 50 pesos itong ganito.
Maraitom guys, ito kinakain. Even the seed. Okay. Tinalab. Tapos magtikim ka ba?
I like this. And then give me another one.
Kinabet. Maasim bet. Hindi na yung tabo. At planggana at saka balde. Oo. So guys, we had so much fruit today. We have this malaitom, we have this tabo, we have pineapple, we have jackfruit and badak.
You need vitamin C, Doggy.
So we are at here in what is this here? Kulandanum. And South Road. Later we're going to be passing the regular route, the Batarasa Brooks Point, heading to Nara.
So we went
The other way. We went like, is it, can we call it like a backdoor South Road? Yeah, we really enjoyed our day today. Not intentional to travel this far. We've been on the road since 6 o'clock this morning, and it's now 1 o'clock. But of course, we did some stopover. We have not completed our journey yet.
We're in Kulandanum now.
Kulandanum. Near, I don't know, Kulandanum and near Batarasa na. That's a nice house. Road trip without a plan. So it's better, huh? So, goodbye everybody.